Good morning, students. May God bless you all. You can see many things around you. Various kinds of plants, animals, birds. They are living things. There are also a large number of non-living things around you, like table, chair, pen, cloth, car, computer, etc. These things are made by man. Today, we are going to start with lesson 4, living things. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the characteristics of living things, and we also know how living things are different from non-living things. The first characteristic is living things move on their own. Animals move in search of food, water, and shelter. They also move to run away from their enemies. Plants do not move around for food as they make their own food. Plants are fixed at a place, but parts of plant show movement. Non-living things do not move on their own. For example, your toy car moves only when you make it move. It cannot move its own. Next characteristic is living things need air, water, and food to live. Children, as you need food to grow, to get energy, to fight diseases, same way other living things like animals and plants need food, water, and air to live. Most plants have a green substance called chlorophyll in their leaves. It helps them to make their own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil. This process is called photosynthesis. Animals cannot make their own food. They eat plants or other animals for food. Non-green plants like mushrooms do not have chlorophyll in them. They mostly grow on dead and decaying matter and get their nutrients from them. Non-living things do not need food. Next characteristic of living things is living things are made up of cells. Do you know what is a cell? A cell is the smallest living part of a living thing. Most cells are so small that they can be seen only under a microscope. Our body contains millions of cells of different types. Some very small animals such as amoeba are made up of only one cell. Non-living things are not made up of cells. Children, so we have discussed 3 characteristics of living things, that is, living things move on their own, non-living things do not move. Living things need air, water, and food. Non-living things do not need these things. Living things are made up of cells. Non-living things are not made up of cells. I hope this part of chapter is clear to you. In the next video, we will discuss about the other characteristics of living things. Thank you.